Hello everyone, this is Faye. Today I want to try the Glow Series product from Missha, and if you want to see how it is and my opinion on it, just keep on watching. This Glow Series was actually launched last year, but I just had a chance to actually try it out when I was in Korea, and I really liked some of the products. Let's start with the Glow Skindation first. This is basically a liquid foundation and the texture is really light and watery. I'm gonna apply it all over my face and blend it out evenly. Although it has a medium coverage, it's good enough for daily makeup. Can you see how my skin looks so glowy now? Next, I'm going to cover up my dark circles with a liquid concealer. And now, I'm going to draw my eyebrows with a maple brown eyebrow pencil. This eyebrow pencil has three parts: the brush, eyebrow pencil, and eyebrow powder. And today, I will make my eyebrow shape slightly curved. After that, I'm going to use the eyebrow powder to smudge and soften the line like this. For the contour, I'm going to shade the side of my nose first. Start from the tip of my eyebrows and bring it downwards to the nostril. And then I'm gonna shade my jawline and face line as well. This contour paste is not powdery, so it's not gonna cover the glow on the skin. Now for the eye makeup, I'm gonna start with this glow lip gloss in Nude as the base eyeshadow. I'm gonna apply it onto my eyelid and blend it out by using my fingertip. And then after that, I'm gonna apply a little bit of light color eyeshadow on top of it to set it up. Next, I'm gonna apply this glow lip gloss in Dare Me onto my cheeks, just right around the cheekbones area. And then I'm gonna use my fingers to blend it evenly. As you can see, it creates a really nice glow on the skin. Honestly, I really like this glow series because I prefer the glow skin look more than the matte one. Next, I'm gonna line my eyes with a dark brown pencil liner and draw the line as close as possible to the upper lash line. And then I'm gonna apply a brownish orange eyeshadow onto the other three and bring it a little bit to the lower lid as well. Next, I'm gonna apply a dark brown eyeshadow onto the other corner of my eyes like this. And next, I'm gonna apply the highlighter powder onto the eyelash. And also, I'm gonna apply it onto the bridge of my nose as well. Now, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and then apply the falsies. If you are wondering why I don't use the glow balm or cushion from this series, the reason is just I don't like it or probably I just don't like the texture. Last, I'm gonna apply the glow lip gloss in Dare Me onto my lips. Since this product is made to have a glow finish, so it's gonna make your lips look shiny and it's kind of feel like wearing a lip balm. Alright, the makeup is done. This is the finished look. What do you think about this makeup look? If you like it, Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I hope this tutorial can be helpful for you and thank you for watching. Bye!